हेलो बच्चा पार्टी, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? होप सो यू ऑल आर फाइन. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू चैप्टर जो हर बच्चे का एक ड्रीम होता है. दैट अगर वो कोई मैजिकल सीरियल्स या मूवी या कुछ देखे, देन दे ऑलवेज सपोज दैट काश मेरे पास कुछ मैजिकल पावर होती, so I can change the world, I can do something new in this world. So today we are going to start such type of a chapter. That suppose we have some magical powers. अगर आपके पास कुछ होता है ऐसा मैजिकल पावर, तो आप क्या करते हैं? सोचिए. Yes, you have many more idea about it. सर मैं उड़ के यहाँ जाता, ऐसा करता, वैसा करता. But the all ideas is good for yours. आपके लिए हमेशा क्या रहेगा? अच्छा रहेगा. क्लियर बच्चा पार्टी? So our today's chapter is start about that if I have a power, then I can change our around us. मैं अपने आजू बाजू के हर एक चीज को चेंज करता, कुछ अनोखा करता. Yes or no? So in this chapter we are going to start that. Okay. So chapter number 6, change around us. Yeah. So गिर जाता है बच्चा पार्टी. वेट ए मिनट, फिक्स कर लेते हैं. ओके. सो चेंज आवर सराउंडिंग. So we know very well that we don't have such type of a power that we can change the world or we can change the thing. कोई जादू से हम कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि हमें चेंज देखने को मिल जाए with the help of nature. Is it possible? Think over it. क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि चेंज हो सके? So the answer of this question is, of course, yes. When we observe that the trees are growing from the seed, it become a tree. With the time they grow. तो वो change हुआ कुछ भी? Of course. When we watch the particular cloud or the star, moon, sun, तो अपनी place change कर रहे. Even that the seasons are also change. Even that with the time persons are also change. Means what? Change तो हो रहा है. There is change naturally. Okay. So is it possible कि हम उसे categorize कर दे कि भाई ये चेंज हो रहा है तो इसे ये कैटेगरी में डाल दो, ये चेंज हो रहा है तो ये कैटेगरी में डाल दो? Or else is there any particular things that if there is a change happen तो reversible हो जाए? Now we must know that what is reversible and what is irreversible. Okay. Reversible means the simple that आपने कोई चीज को चेंज किया. ठीक है. Means let us take one example that I have one particular handkerchief. ठीक है, उसे मैंने लिया. Now I will fold this. Clear? ये मैंने फोल्ड कर रहा हूं. आता होगा फोल्ड करना, नहीं आता तो आप सीख लोगे इसमें से. क्लियर? आई हैड चेंज देयर शेप. यस और नो? मैंने इसका चेंज कर दिया शेप. क्या मैं पहले जैसा था वैसा मैं इसे हैंकरचिफ बना सकता हूं? ऑफ कोर्स यस बच्चा पार्टी. ये लो, मतलब कि चेंज करने के बाद फिर से उसके ओरिजिनल रूप में क्या आप ला सकते हो? अगर ला सकते हो मीन्स व्हाट? इट्स द reversible change. If I take this handkerchief and if I cut out this handkerchief, उसे मैंने बीच में से काट दिया, फाड़ दिया, कुछ भी कर दिया. Is it possible to make it in the original form? पहले जैसा था कट करने से पहले, कट करने के बाद फिर से मैं ऐसा कुछ करके इसे पहले जैसा बना सकता हूँ? नो बच्चा बट. नो, some are saying that yes we can do it sir. सी दो उसे पहले से. लेकिन बच्चा, पहले जब मैंने देखा था, बिफोर वी हैड सीन दैट उसमें बीच में कुछ भी सिला हुआ नहीं था, बट नाउ सिला हुआ है, मीन्स वो पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. क्लियर? सो let us take some of the example that is it anything is there that we can change it by nature and we can get their original form or not. Okay, let's take one balloon. You can do it by yourself at your home also. एक बलून ले लो, उसके अंदर हवा ब्लो करो, फटा हुआ निकला. वेट, 2-3 रखता हूं एक्स्ट्रा, ये भी फटा हुआ है. चलो इससे देख लेते हैं, अच्छा निकले तो अच्छा. ये भी फटा हुआ है. खड़े रहो कुछ. ओ, ये भी फटा हुआ था. चलो ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. I blow the air in particular balloon. ले बच्चा वाले. Now I release the air. क्या वो अपने ओरिजिनल शेप में आ जाएगा? Yes or no? Yes, they come in their original shape. Now, if I take another example that I can take the particular paper. Don't use the particularly white paper. So, white paper is going to be used in anywhere. Newspaper या ऐसा कोई पेपर के जिसका यूज आप नहीं करने वाले ना, वैसा पेपर यूज करना. I have one paper like here that we can make a plane. Many of the person or many of the children are know to prepare the plane and the balloon of the particular paper. Yes, balloon paper is. So let us try it. One example that प्रिपेयर हो गया है. चलो किसको बैठना है मेरे जहाज में? आ जाओ. रजिस्ट्रेशन इज ओपन फॉर अस. If you are watching this video, do it by yourself practically so you can enjoy the things, because science is amazing thing. When you feel that you are deeply love with the science subject, science के साथ आपको बहुत बढ़िया मजा आएगी. You can watch each and everything. हर एक चीज में आप साइंस ढूंढोगे, क्या इसमें साइंस है या नहीं. क्लियर? So ये मैंने प्लेन बनाया और ये उड़ाया. हाँ भाई, उड़ तो रहा है. क्या उसे मैं अपने ओरिजिनल शेप और साइज में ले सकता हूं? क्लियर? लेके आता हूं मैं. हाँ भाई, पहले जैसा था वैसा ही फिर से आया. Congratulations guys that we find the original form. Even that when you observe the trees, at a particular season it is green, after that it become yellow, then it will dry. After the in the December January वो फिर से उगेंगे, फिर से हरियाली आएगी. मीन्स वो टाइम टू टाइम दे आर चेंज. लेकिन क्या ऐसा कोई चेंज है जो परमानेंटली हो जाए? यस बच्चा, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. और क्या ऐसा कोई चेंज है जो चेंज तो हुआ लेकिन हम उसे फिर से हम चाहे तो उसे वापस ला सके? इज इट पॉसिबल? इज इट ए पॉसिबल एनी कंडीशन दैट वी कैन चेंज द पर्टिकुलर थिंग और द थिंग्स व्हिच गोना चेंज बाय देयर own or with the help of nature? Is it possible to reverse? Yes or no? Clear? This is the question that I had given some of the examples to you. Even that another example you can do it by yourself at your home, because we don't have a dough. मतलब कि आटा नहीं है गूंदा हुआ रोटी बनाने के लिए, ठीक है? So we don't have a dough. You can take the dough and make it the small ball, and this ball is going to convert it into the roti shape, gold round shape. Clear? Now, if you think that this is not good, is it possible to convert it into the dough? Clear? दिखा देता हूं आपको, ये आपकी प्लेट, इसके अंदर आपका डो है। क्लियर? Why I made it dot dot? Because ये अंदर के भाव में। क्लियर? Now from here I had take one dough, अंदर से लिया और I had made it in the form of circle. Now this circle is going to transmit it into the particular roti, but this roti is without bake, सेकी हुई नहीं है। क्लियर? This is the bowl of dough, and this is our clear. Now I think that this is not good, so it is possible to make once again in the bowl and once again place it in this dough. Yes, of course, बच्चा पार्टी, we can do it. आपने रोटी बनाई, फिर से आप गोल करके फिर से अंदर डाल सकते हैं। Clear? Then this type of a change is called a reversible change. So reversible change, the change which is reverse to its original form are called or is known as. Now here we are using is, even that are also, it's depend on the particular thing that we gonna study in the grammar chapter. Clear? That when we are using is for the particular one thing, एक चीज के लिए हम is use करेंगे because it's a singular, but when we are using are, it means what? It's a plural. बहुत सारी चीज होगी तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? are. Clear? There are students means बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स है। There is a student, वहां पे स्टूडेंट है means what? एक स्टूडेंट है। क्लियर? So is known as reversible change. Now the question is arise that, sir, the things which is not going to be a reversible, or the particular material or the substance which is not going to be a reversible, वो reverse फिर से नहीं होगा उसके original form में. So what we call them? It's a irreversible. Irreversible change. Okay. Here example is that I am taking one example that blow air in balloon, clear, and then what bacha? Yes, blow air in balloon and escape the air. The air, or you can say release the air. Release the, ठीक है, फुगे में हवा डाली फिर से छोड़ दिया. क्लियर बच्चा पार्टी? I had taken one example here, or you can take another example also. I had placed it etc, etc, not the end of thinking capacity. Clear? Now, irreversible change means what? Okay, let's take one example that we have a balloon only. Here I had blow the air. Now I take the pin and place it over here. So guys, you had observed that after the burst of the balloon is in this form. Now is it possible to retain their original shape and size? Of course not. Now it is impossible to retain their shape and size. Now take another example that too. Take this paper. In the previous example we had fully this paper converted into the plane. Now we are going to draw the plane in this paper that you can see over it, and we can cut out. Clear? Do this activity in the guidance of your family or parents, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों के लिए अलाउड नहीं है. क्लियर? पेरेंट्स के बिना ये मत करना एक्टिविटी इफ यू वांट टू डू. लेकिन बिना प्रैक्टिकल किए साइंस में मजा कैसा? सो पोस्ट कर देता हूं, जिसकी वजह से यू आर नॉट कंज्यूम टू मच टाइम. क्लियर? सो बच्चा पार्टी, इट इज रेडी फॉर यू द plane. Now you can gonna travel from one place to another, but is it possible to obtain their original shape and size? Maybe yes, maybe no. Now it's depend on particular material and the particular things, but what I am gonna talk with you, that the things which is irreversible means what? It is not retain their original shape and size. Clear? So irreversible change means what? The change which is not reverse. To its original form is known as irreversible. Example: baked roti, or okay. So how baked roti? Okay. In the previous session, you had taken the example of that dough. Take the dough and do it in the circular form, or make a ball, and that ball you have to convert it into the roti. Okay. So in the reversible, that roti is going to be changed in the form of dough, or if the roti is baked, मतलब उसे आपने सेक दिया, then is it possible to make a dough once again? No, isn't it? This is not possible. So it's the irreversible change. Now in the further topic, we are going to discuss many more things like that. If you are watching the good content with the better understanding, you are with the Sufyan sir. Wait, stay tuned with us. Till then, goodbye, and don't trouble your whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Stay safe.